Good afternoon or good morning. My name is Lynn Martin, and I run VMware's government, education, and commercial healthcare vertical across the Americas. Welcome to our first annual VMware Tanzu Public Sector Connect event. We are so happy you could join us. Over the next 2 days, hear from thought leaders around DevSecOps and modern applications, along with some incredible customer stories. As most of you know, Tanzu is an integral part of the broader VMware vision. The mission impacts customers across the globe, but specifically in public sector, customers such as U.S. Space Force, U.S. Army, the FAA, have all achieved incredible business results using Tanzu. From an infrastructure perspective, Tanzu is bringing automation, security, and efficiency up the stack, enabling the next generation of the software-defined data center. You will have the opportunity over the next 2 days to hear from FAA, U.S. Army, and the Space Force directly to share their lessons learned from their journey partnering with VMware and how Tanzu has enabled the mission outcomes they are achieving. VMware continues to create enterprise solutions that enable clients to take steps, big or small, forward in their own digital transformation at their own speed of light. Overall, you'll hear about outcomes, business outcomes, technology outcomes, but most importantly, mission outcomes that are unique to your journey and the business results you're driving on behalf of the United States government, as well as our SLED environment.